Hi lovelies, welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you the super delicious oilless stew. This stew is cooked without any kind of oil. It is completely free from oil. Let's get it started. That is the assorted meat I will be using. Into it, I'm just going to add salt. After that, I'm going to add curry. If you don't like curry, you can leave it. But I used it for boiling the meat. And I'll be adding black pepper into it as well. Now I added fresh oregano, I added fresh curry as well into it. Feel free to use dried one, it doesn't really matter. And I added bay leaf into it. And this, what I have here are onions and garlic. So I also added them into the meat. Add seasoning or other any ingredients you love to add into it before we start to boil it. I added water into it and then I covered it and allow it to boil. While the meat is boiling, what I have here is just my habanero pepper, paprika, tomatoes, onion, and garlic. Feel free to add ginger into it. You will love the result, but it has to be well blended. Okay, so after blending, this is how it looks. So I'm going to keep it aside for later use. Let's go and check the meat. This has been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to give it a stir now. And lovely, the aroma here is given. The aroma in this kitchen is given. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add the blended pepper mix right now into it. I'll use this opportunity to appreciate you, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your love. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment. I'll appreciate it. Thank you so much. I gave it a gentle mix and now I covered and allow them to cook together. Lovelies, I make sure I open and stir occasionally until the meat is tender. That is what matters, all right? The meat has to be cooked in the sauce altogether. Cook until it is tender to your taste. But like I've said, always open and stir together. Lovelies, look at what we have here. You can see it has taken up, and apart from that, that means the water in it has really reduced by cooking it, of course. And at this stage, the meat is tender to my taste. All I need to do at this stage now is to get my spoon, taste for salt and seasoning, and of course adjust. Yes, at this stage, feel free to add ginger, garlic, seasoning, more salt. Yes, until you have your taste. And I have this pomo at all. The pomo is soft. It's roasted one. I washed it. It is soft, like I've said. So I added it into it and allowed them to just cook together for about 5 minutes. After that, tra-la-la, lovelies. This is ready, and you know what? It is perfect for any kind of swallow, even for rice. Remember, we prepare this without adding vegetable oil or anything more into it. What we have from the protein is okay. I rock this one with a bar. Lovelies, without adding any okra or ewedu to it. I enjoyed it. Make sure you try this. Thanks for watching.